Hello? I present to you the Hammer car. The 2024 GMC HUMMER EV SUV is an all-electric reimagining of one of the most iconic, badass off-road machines of the last century. While the Hummer brand now lives under the GMC umbrella, its unmistakable design and remarkable off-road capabilities are faithfully upheld in EV form. In fact, the latter will arguably be even more impressive thanks to the SUV's advanced technology, incredible power output, and innovative features, including four-wheel steering, enabling the much ballyhooed crab mode. The most interesting aspect of the reinvented Hummer is its Ultium battery tech, which provides quick charging times and a massive battery pack that provides an estimated range of 300+ miles. Inside the cabin, it is visually identical to its pickup truck counterpart, with a mix of high-tech content and removable roof panels that create an open-air experience. Following in the tire marks of the new Hummer EV pickup, which launched in 2023, the SUV version offers a different body style with a shorter wheelbase. The first Hummer EV SUVs will begin reaching GMC dealerships in early 2023. Based on the Hummer EV pickup truck, and hinted at by the superscript in their model names, the SUV version will be powered by 2 or 3 electric motors. The EV2 and EV2X have a dual-motor setup that generates an estimated 625 horsepower, and what GM is claiming to be 7,400 pound-feet of torque. The most powerful Hummer EV SUV also has a claimed 0 to 60 mph time of approximately 3.5 seconds, which is seriously quick for a machine this big and heavy. GMC also pulls at our heartstrings with a full-size spare tire mounted on the rear gate. Plus, there's an optional extreme off-road package that brings special hardware that includes 18-inch wheels on 35-inch all-terrain tires, extra underbody protection, low-mounted cameras for improved visibility while maneuvering, enhanced axles with heavy-duty components, a locking front differential, and rear motors that can electronically mimic a lock diff. Every Hummer benefits from GM's new Ultium battery technology, which makes it considerably more eco-friendly than the old gas-guzzling H2 and H2 SUT. While the base EV model features a standard 400-volt electrical system, it's also offered with the 800-volt system that comes standard on every other trim. The interior of the Hummer EV SUV is part rugged and part sci-fi. Its three-dimensional dashboard boasts both vertical and horizontal air vents, and a pair of large displays that include a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Rather than frustrate users for the sake of appearances, the Hummer has lots of hard buttons and physical switchgear, including a thick T-shaped shifter and a rotary drive mode selector on the center console. The materials in the top-of-the-line Edition 1 also look very upscale, with leather-stitched surfaces and distinct bronze accents. Another defining feature of the Hummer's cabin is its removable roof panels. Called the Infinity Roof, the system allows users to lift off the 4 transparent sky panels and the I-bar above the front seat passengers. Along with storage under the load floor, the SUV Hummer boasts an expansive 82 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seat folded. The Hummer's cutting-edge electric technology has complemented by a large 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system and extensive connectivity options. As with most GMC models, desirable content such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot is expected to come standard. The SUV Hummer is also available with a 6.0 kW onboard generator that can be used to power all sorts of equipment, and even charge other EVs. That's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you